Okay, so hi everyone. I'm here at Escape the Rat Race 33 and we're just about to get going tonight, but I wanted to grab Michael and introduce him to you. So Michael, how are you tonight?
Good, thanks. Yeah, great to be here. It's a beautiful venue. Very excited to be here because I spend a lot of my life in the world that I inhabit, which is Amazon, FBA. I sell on Amazon and I coach people on how to sell on Amazon as well on my podcast, amazingfba.com. Yeah, check it out if you want. We've got loads and loads of podcasts there, a fellow podcaster like yourself. And what's interesting about this for me is that I have made my living on Amazon and helping other people to work their way into Amazon and escape the rat race that way for about 2.5 years now. And I really am very excited to compare that with the other opportunities, like other business opportunities and property and whatever else there is out there that I don't know exists, and to really kind of step back to how it is to be the person wanting to escape the rat race and to reconnect with what the needs are of those people, and so it really helps me to help them.
Yeah, no, it's great to have you here tonight, Michael.
Great to
and we're going to be doing some breakout sessions at the end where we're going to be talking about how do you find little niches in Amazon, how do you go about product research, and then we're actually going to be putting together a 2-hour workshop, aren't we?
Yeah.
In a couple of weeks' time, on Tuesday the 20th of March.
Yeah.
What are we going to be covering in that workshop?
Well, the basics, I would say the basics of Amazon, at least when you're launching it. I mean, we could talk about building a bigger business for those who are more ambitious or experienced, but basically it's niching, sourcing and launching. So to put it simply, find out what they want, go get it and give it to them, to put it simply. So we can cover the basics of those things. Obviously in 2 hours, I can't teach an entire business model, but I can certainly give a flavor of the, basically to help people make a decision. Is this the right kind of business model for them?
Absolutely. Yeah.
And then from that point, if they want to take it further, then obviously I'm very experienced at training people, so there will be options at the other end of it if people want to take them.
Almost every day I have members of Escape the Rat Race that I speak to on the phone or in person who want to start selling online. Amazon is the world's biggest marketplace. Yeah. It's a great place to start. So if you're interested in learning more about Amazon FBA and e-commerce, come along and book your ticket for the workshop with myself and Michael on the 20th of March, and we'll look forward to seeing you. We've got to go now because we've got to meet up, but Michael, thanks for joining me.
Thanks very much for having me. It's a pleasure.